Happy 60th birthday, Nanay Ging. I wish you a good health and more blessings ug taas pan kinabuhi ang ihatag ni Lord sa imuha. Daghang kaayong salamat sa tanan, Nay. We love you. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nay. Wish na ako sa imuha. Dagan pa ka ni Lord o maayong panlawas. Kaya pa na. Ayong panlawas, kahimsog o strong heart, Jud. Strong heart, Jud. Salamat sa imong kamaayo sa ako, sa among untanay. Ingon anak lang dito permanent teacher. Usahay man malita pud ka pero okay ra man dawat pa na nato kay malita man pud yun. Naman ay pinagmanahan mo it runs in the blood yun na siya. Char lang. Nindot man pud ka panay. Bitaw nindot ka pagka malita na kay buotan gihapon ka at the same time naglibog gani ko usahay. Ha? Unsa daw? Happy birthday. Enjoy your vacation yun kay. Pohon pagbalik nimo dere kayod na pud ta kayod. Unta magkita ta pag makauli na punta magkita-kita ta ninyo nila naisot diba para happy walang tunay kana see you when we see you. Happy birthday, bye bye, love you.
Hi, Ate Ging. First of all, I want to greet a happy birthday and thank you for there was a time that I was leave in your house when I was 7 years old, and that was a memorable time of my life. And also thank you for all the support, love, not only for me, of course, to all your pamangkin. And I wish always good health and more power to your career, of course, and also always take good care to your health. And happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po, Lola Ging.
Ingat po kayo.
Ingat po kayo.
Lagi, God bless.
Lagi, God
Enjoy po.
Hey, hi Nangging! Happy 60th birthday to you. Welcome back to the Philippines. I know this has been your dream and you've been waiting for this for so long after struggling so many years abroad. So finally, you're back home with your family. So I'm so happy for you guys. And I hope this time makabanding pa kayo na mas matagal at mas maging masaya, mapunan yung mga panahon na hindi kayo magkasama sa isa't isa. So I'm so proud of you, Nangging. You have raised your kids alone with your hard work, and look at them now. It's payback time. So thank you sa aking mga pamangkin, na mga matatalinong pamangkin, Adele, Hazel, Ellen, Daniel. You guys did a great job to your mom. So I hope mas marami pang taon na magkakasama kayo na mas masaya at syempre hindi na magkakahiwalay-hiwalay na ilang years pa bago magkakasama ulit. I'm so sorry I can't join your birthday celebration this time, but I do wish that next year we will be able to see each other, guys. And take care always. Be happy, have a blast on your birthday, and regards to the rest of the family. Enjoy, have a blast. God bless. Bye.
Happy 60th birthday. Salamat sa Ginoo sa imong kinabuhi. Wishing you a good health, happiness, and many more years of love and blessings. Happy birthday!
Hi Mads! Happy birthday! Welcome to the club. I wish you more birthdays to come, more years to celebrate. Good health always, and stay strong and pretty. Nahibalo ako nga malipain ka karon sa imong birthday. Kapiling ana imong mga anak o mga apo. Pagpasensya na ha, hindi ako nakakapunta dahil alam mo na malayo ang Surigao. Pero hayaan mo, baka sa sunod magkikita rin tayo. Love you, Mads. Again, happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Ging. Happy birthday. Wow, 60 na kate. Pero, unfair man kayo. Mura raman og sweet 16 ay. Anyway, so nakita na mo, you've been really good mom Dagan kay kag mga sacrifices. Unya, nagdako pud mi na nakita na mo unsa ka maparaan manginabuhi para sa imong family. We as friends of Adele were so proud as well na ingon anak ka. So you're like our second mom as well. So karon 60 na ka, less stress na sila na pud nila Adele ang pa-stress sa imong oy. Laglaag ka, enjoy, happy lang, enjoy your time sa imong mga apo habang mga baby pa na sila kay pag managko na sila kanya-kanyang life. But anyway, stay healthy, happy, and strong. Mwah!
Hi, Ate King. Happy birthday to you, Ate. Wishing you all the best in life, good health, and God bless you with all your family circle. I know you are so very happy in your birthday now because you are with your family together with your grandchildren. So, happy birthday again. I miss you so much. And enjoy your special day. Okay? So, yun lang. Pangimbi ko, ate. I am not stop waiting for you to come back here in Jeddah. Okay? I love you!
Hi, Ate Ging. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life, more success, and always in good health. Kabalo ko malipan ka karon kay ika-60th birthday nimo, naka-celebrate ka sa Pilipinas. And I'm so happy. I hope na tagaan pa ka ni Lord og more blessings and more good health. Basta amping lang permi. And salamat sa tanan nimong kaayo. And enjoy your birthday. Happy kay ka na kasi mong family. Happy birthday, Ate Ging. Enjoy. I love you. I miss you. Balik na dayon dere ha.
To my cousin there in the Philippines, hi Insan. Mula sa aking sambahayan, I would like to greet you a happy 60th birthday this coming June 2. May our Lord God grant you more birthday to come, healthy living, and more blessings to come as well. Mula po sa aking sambahayan dito sa Toronto, Canada. Ingat kayo dyan, Insan. Maraming salamat.
Hi, Ate Ging. Kamusta? Happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming darating na kaarawan at matupad mo lahat ang mga pangarap mo pa sa buhay at nawa ay magkasama-sama pa tayo dito sa Jeddah ng matagal at sana bumalik ka na kaagad at namimiss ka na namin lalong-lalo na ako dahil nahihirapan ako magluto dito mag-isa. Ate Ging, happy birthday ulit. I love you and miss you.
Hi, mahal. How are you? I miss you so much. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best into your life. Sana hope na masaya ka sa piling ng mga anak mo na ngayon nag-birthday ka sa piling nila. Sana laging maganda ang kalusugan mo at patuloy ka pa rin lumalaban. Alam ko na pinapahinto ka na rin nila magtrabaho. Pero masarap pa rin magtrabaho, mahal. Basta, happy birthday and enjoy your vacation. I miss you. Sana makabanding pa tayo. I love you, miss you.
Hi, Emme. I'm so proud of you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. I wish you a good health and may you have more birthdays to come. Thank you. I love you.
Hi! Happy birthday! Daghan manok! O, diba? Daiging, happy birthday! Bisan dili ta pirmi magkita, tungod na itong mga obligasyon, pero nagudon mga edad na to. And 60th mo na pala. Wow! Inggit ko ha. Una na tas pila, anak. Anyway, happy birthday! God bless. Bless for a good health. Importante talaga ang good health na to, day. And together with your family. Yan. See you sa atong alumni day, karong pizza 12 pohon. Happy birthday, love you, love you.
Hi Ate King, happy birthday. Kabalo ko happy kay kakinay mo mga angels. Katong mga makulit na diha present jud. Mga adult tayo na napansin na. Happy birthday, enjoy.
It's her birthday, oh she's the one, lighting up the night like the midnight sun. Can't come halfway, no not today.